Now let's solve this question number 3. Question number 3 still falls under the recoil of a gun. I want us to understand this particular aspect very well. Now, it says a gun of mass 2.0 kg fires a bullet of mass 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 kg. 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 kg due east. If the bullet leaves a nozzle of a gun with a velocity of 150 meters per second, what is the recoil velocity of the gun? If you've watched the previous one, you can solve this. Now let's solve it now. Solution. Now they say a gun of mass 2.0 kg. So they give us the mass of the gun. 2.0 kg. Fires a bullet of mass. They give us the mass of the bullet. Please see how I'm breaking down the parameters. 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 kg. Due east. Please take note of this word. Due east. Due east. Due east. If the bullet leaves a nozzle of a gun with a velocity of 150 meters per second, so they give us the bullet. The bullet leaves a nozzle of a gun with a velocity of 150 meters per second. So they give us the velocity of the bullet. Velocity of the bullet is 150 meters per second. Now, what did they ask us to calculate? What is the recoil velocity of the gun? Which is the velocity of the gun. Very simple. Now we'll solve it here now. The formula we use to solve it: mg vg plus mb vb is equal to 0. Now we have to, because it is opposite, action and reaction are equal but opposite, we have mg vg is equal to, this is crossing over, you have minus mb vb. Mg, the mass of the gun, is 2.2, or we can just say 2 kg. 2.0 is set as 2 times velocity of the gun, that's what we have to calculate, is equal to minus, what is the mass of the bullet? Please, I don't know, if students see standard form, they just become scared, but it's not a problem. The mass of the bullet, 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2, 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 times, what is the velocity of the bullet? 150. Then 2 times Vg is 2 Vg is equal to, then we have to multiply 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 times 150. 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 times, so we're having minus 2.4. Alright, if you multiply this with your calculator, you have minus 2.4. Then we have to divide both sides by 2. This will cancel out this. The velocity of the gun is equal to 2.4 divided by 2 minus 1.2 meter per second. This is your final answer. This is not difficult. Just understand that if the trigger is pulled backward, the bullet moves forward, which is action and reaction are equal but opposite. Now that's why we are having minus sign. That's what I said it before. Because of action and reaction are equal but opposite. That's why. Now I said that a gun of mass 2.0 kg fires a bullet of mass 1.6 due east. Now, if the bullet, this is the velocity of the bullet, 150 meters per second. Now, the velocity of the gun is 1.2 meters per second. 1.2 meters per second what? If these are cardinal points. When we say something is moving due east, this is north, this is east. It's moving like this. Okay? Which means it is moving, they say the bullet is moving like this. It's moving due east. Now, but the gun, the trigger will be pulled what? Due west. Because this is west, this is south. So we have 1.2 meters per second. We can say due west. If you want them to know that you are good, you want them to know that you are not one of those students that are scared of physics, you give them the answer and give them the reason, they know you are good. Please follow my Facebook page, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please drop your comments, like, and share. Thank you.